Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 3D modeling tutorial exercise number 29. You can create new part and start to sketch. I will choose the top plane. Create circle, start from this origin point, and I will set into 60 for the diameter. The next, for the second circle, I will set into 30. Use the line command to create line, start from this point into here. I will set the length 50, move to the right, 15, to the top, 10 point, and then click in the center point. Press escape button to close from this line command, and use trim tools to cut this line and also the circle object. Click finish to apply. To convert into 3D, we can use the extrusion tools. You can click this icon extrude, select at this area, and set for the extrusion 10 point. Click OK to apply. Use the fillet commands. We can fillet this edge. Okay, you can select and also at this edge. You can select one by one for this edge. Don't forget to set for the fillet radius into 2 mm. If you're done, click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor 3D modeling tutorial exercise number 29. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.